Have you ever wondered how to grow your own apple tree? The first step is all about location. Apple trees thrive in sunny spots with well-draining soil. They need cold winters to break dormancy and warm summers for fruit ripening. Remember, the right location sets the foundation for a healthy apple tree. Moving on, it's time to select your apple variety. The choices are abundant. From tart Granny Smiths to sweet Fuji's, each variety offers unique flavors and colors. Remember, some apples require a buddy for cross-pollination, so plant more than one type. Choose your varieties wisely to enjoy a delicious harvest. Now that you've selected your variety, let's dive into planting and watering. Apple trees are typically planted in spring. They can sprout from seeds, but grafting onto rootstocks is common for size control and disease resistance. Young trees crave regular watering for root establishment, while mature ones need less frequent but deeper hydration, particularly during dry periods. With proper planting and watering, your apple tree will be off to a great start. Next up are 3 crucial steps: pruning, fertilizing, and thinning. Pruning shapes your tree and keeps it healthy, while early spring fertilizing promotes growth. Thinning excess fruits ensures larger quality apples. These steps will ensure your apple tree's health and productivity. Unfortunately, pests and diseases can threaten your apple tree. Common culprits include apple scab, codling moth, and apple maggot. Integrated pest management strategies combining biological, cultural, physical, and chemical tools can effectively control these threats. Stay vigilant and proactive in managing pests and diseases. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for, harvesting and enjoying your apples. When they twist off easily and the inside flesh isn't green, they're ripe. Gently twist upwards to pick. Store in a cool, humid place and enjoy raw, cooked, or in your favorite recipes. With these tips, you're ready to enjoy the fruits of your labor, literally. Growing your own apple tree might seem daunting, but it's quite doable with the right steps. From site selection, variety picking, planting, nurturing, to harvesting, every step is vital. Remember, patience is key in this fruitful endeavor. Now, you're equipped with the knowledge to start your apple tree journey. Happy gardening!